Introducing your personal eagle eye on the road, the Alpine Advanced Dash Cams. Have you ever been in a car accident and could not prove that you did nothing wrong? We have the perfect solution for you. The new Alpine dash cams provide digital proof of your driving situation and includes additional data like GPS location, G-force, and driving speed. The Alpine F800 Pro records in 1080p Full HD and features the Sony Exmor Starvis image sensor for excellent recording quality at night and day. The F800 Pro is also packed with cutting-edge technology to support you while driving.
Speed and red light cameras in 300 meters.
Speed Camera Alert warns you if you exceed the speed limit and approach a fixed radar camera. Lane Departure Warning notifies you if your vehicle moves out of its lane. And Forward Collision Warning helps to prevent or reduce the severity of a collision. The cameras will also surveil your car while parked.
Parking recording will now start.
If any impact by another vehicle is detected, the camera will store the video footage and you can review it on your smartphone. To view all saved video footage, use the Alpine Dashcam viewer on your Mac or PC and watch your recorded videos synchronized with GPS location, crash sensor data, and driving speed. You can also extend your F800 Pro with an optional rear accessory camera. To see the full range of Alpine dash cams, visit your local Alpine website.
Alpine, driving mobile media innovation.